Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a different kind of video for you, and it has nothing to do with the outdoors, but it does have to do with some good eating. So I'm going to show you a slow cooked meal that is the easiest on earth. Anybody can do this. It is virtually impossible to screw this up, and that's why I like it. So if you like this, give it a like, share, whatever. I'm not the first one to make a video on this. This is called Mississippi Mud Roast, as the title said, and it's, like I said, it's easy. Now, what I'd like you to do is also go on over to Jack's Drinkwater's YouTube channel and check him out. He does much more advanced things than this, and he's also a hiker and a backpacker, but he makes some incredible meals, so go check him out. His stuff is just legendary. So let's get right into how you do this. Okay, so what you're looking at entails all of the ingredients that you'll need for this Mississippi Mud Roast. You got ranch salad dressing, you've got AuJus gravy mix, 1 stick of butter, 5 pepperonchinis, and a giant hunk of slab of meat. So this is the biggest one I could find, what she said. And so we're going to start out with putting all this stuff into the slow cooker, so stay tuned. As I said before, this thing could not be easier, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the meat out, put it in there, and then I'm going to take a stick of butter, put it on top, open up the ranch, and it doesn't matter as far as the ranch or the AuJus what order you put these on. It's simply just they both go on top. And then the AuJus, put that on top. Okay, and then the last thing you do is you put the whole pepperonchinis, 5 of them, on top of the mixture, or on top of the meat. It doesn't have to be. It's not. This is not precise. That's what I like about it. So we'll just get these last 2 out here. Okay. Okay, so now we're just going to put the lid on. That's good and secure. And we are going to put it on high for 8 hours and start. And we will come back in 8 hours to see what this looks like. Okay, we've got, it says about 15 minutes left on the warming, but we're going to go ahead and open this and see what's going on. I'm kind of doing this handheld, so ooh, look at that. The great thing about this is that watch this meat just separate like that. I mean, it just falls apart. All right, so I'm gonna readjust the camera, and I'm gonna put this on a plate, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so there you have it. There is finished product. Very delicious. You will not regret making this meal, trust me. So this is how I like to eat it. I like to eat it on hamburger buns, but you can eat it any way you like. Okay, so there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this. Try this recipe out for yourself. You will not regret it. It is delicious, and it's the easiest one that I know how to make. So thank you for watching. Get out there and explore, and we'll see you later. Peace.